Hello! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, Best Modular Kayaks. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. Paddling is great exercise and a fun way to explore the outdoors. But it can be challenging to get started if you don't have a lot of space. That's where modular kayaks come in. Modular kayaks are easy to store and easy to transport, making them an excellent option for beginner paddlers or anyone who wants to get out on the water at a reasonable amount of money. A modular kayak is a kayak that can be divided into 2 or more pieces for easy transport and storage. Most modular kayaks are made from plastic or fibreglass and have inflatable chambers that can be inflated and deflated as needed. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research, and we review best modular kayaks. Number 1, 0.65 Sweden Tequila GTX Best Overall. Number 2, 0.65 Martini GTX Best Runners Up. Number 3, Oru Kayak Inlet Best Budget. Number 4, Oru Kayak Bay St. Number 5, Oru Kayak Bay St. Number 6, 0.65 Tequila GTX Tandem. Number 7, 0.65 Mercury GTX Tandem. Number 8, 0.65 Sweden Kingfisher. Number 9, pros and cons, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.